ain't no surprise. Take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Ooh, said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band. Mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club where the Playboy does till they all get loose, loose. Out the bottle, we all get.
Girls, di ko na tumatik. We should make a move. Kukunin natin ang fine nila Al at save na si Zero. What do you think, girl? Agree ako dyan. How about you? Let's make a move.
Yeah, right, girls.
Let's go. Let's... Okay, tara mag-video.
Sige na, open mo na. Ito ba? Ito mo, ganito. Ito, girls. Yun na. I-open mo na. Ito na, done. Oh my God!
In again tomorrow, gotta break rules 'cause that's the motto. Club shut down 100 supermodels.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you.
Tama nga. Sorry ha. Insecure lang talaga kami. Okay lang yun. Sorry. Yung bang naiisip ko?
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me.
Gusto mo ba siya? Ayaw ko sa atin sabihin, pero pare, napabaya ko na siya sa'yo. Sa'yo na siya, pare. Alagaan mo siya mabuti, ha? Nakakainis naman itong mag-isa.
took you home and be a woman. Show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Oh, I like crazy, foolish, stupid, probably going wild, fist pumping music. I might lose it, glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe.